Well, hello. This is my third time trying to film this video, so pray for me. I have had microphone problems both times trying to film this. I just did a microphone test and it's working. It's fine. I can see that it's working, but I thought that was the case the second time I tried to film this. So you know what? If this video does not make it up, then I'm just assuming that it's God telling me himself that this video should not be filmed and put out there for you guys. So this is the last time I'm going to try and film this video. I have fallen in love with a new foundation, and I just want to scream it from the rooftops because I just find it to be the most gorgeous, affordable drugstore foundation, and I cannot stop wearing it. I've been wearing it nonstop. And I just want to show it to you guys. It is the Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation. I don't know what kind of voodoo is in here, but it is just an amazing formula, and I really feel like you dry skin girlies out there, or maybe combo, I don't know. Right now my skin has been more on the dry side just with how the weather has been where I live, so I'm curious what this would be like in the more hot months. But right now at this time of the year, it is just working for me, and if you have not tried it, I really feel like you should try it. And let's just talk about this packaging. This packaging is gorgeous. It's glass. It's just like a luxurious. It's just luxurious for like a drugstore foundation. I love this packaging. So instead of me just sitting here showing you what a bottle looks like, I'm gonna go ahead and read you some claims. And that's basically what this video is, just giving this foundation some love. So it's not gonna be a normal type of wear test and all that kind of stuff that I usually do with my foundation reviews. I just wanted to film a different type of video and just show some love to Revolution. So I'm on Ulta Beauty's website. They do have 20 shades. The shade I got is F1. I'm hoping that after this initial launch of this foundation, maybe they'll put some more shades out there. That's sometimes what brands do. So let's hope that is the case, because 20 shades isn't great. You do get a little less than an ounce. You get 0.77 fluid ounces in this bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime before I just start talking about it. But I think what I wanna do in this video, and I did not do this both other times I tried to film this, I think I'm gonna do one side with me using my normal primers, which is the e.l.f. Halo Glow and the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. By the way, whatever subscriber, whoever you are a godsend, because they told me about the extended shade range of the Halo Glow filter. So now I have shade 0 and it works so much better. So shout out and thank you to the subscriber that let me know that, because I had no idea that they extended their shade range. Oh, and if you see any toothpaste on my shirt, just ignore it. These are my pajamas. And I'm just filming this video right now in my pajamas before I run my errands. So let me go ahead and blend this in. I did not explain why I am doing this. I want to see how glowy the product is on its own without the two glowy primers I'm going in with. That is why I'm doing this. So while I am putting this foundation on, I want to read you the claims to kind of kill two birds with one stone here. So it does come with a pump, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the consistency of it because you will see it running down my hand. It is a thinner consistency, but it is beautiful. So I'm going to start on this side with no primer. Soft as silk, light as air, powered by skincare. It is a medium coverage skin loving serum foundation enriched with hyaluronic acid and peptide complex to plump and hydrate your complexion. It is lightweight, breathable, glides on, undetectable. It's a your skin but better feel. Apply sparingly for subtle coverage or build it up for a second skin-like effect. Glass bottle, built-in pump for greater control application, perfect for all skin types. Again, hyaluronic acid, a plumping that promotes soft and supple skin, peptides to boost collagen. These work to firm, brighten, and hydrate the skin. Apply it your way, buff into the skin with a brush or work with your fingers, or grab a beauty sponge and tap it in. Build and create a second skin effect. I believe I got mine for $14 at Ulta. But what I also like about it is that it gives you a lot of playtime. So here it is without any primer. It looks beautiful, glowy. It looks like my skin, but better. I do have 2 little pimples down here that just do not want to go away because I picked them. Totally gonna admit it. And it still covered it up pretty well. So I'm gonna go ahead and on the other side that has the primers. And let's see how this looks on this side. Okay, I went ahead and zoomed you in so that you can see everything for yourself. You can definitely tell it is nice and glowy over here. This side just looks more skin-like, like the second skin claim that they talk about. The side's just glowier and dewier. Actually, both sides to me look beautiful, and I know after I powder and get everything else on, this is really gonna dull that shine down a little bit. So I'm not worried about it when it looks like this because I'm not just going to wear it like this. Let's say that you are a makeup minimalist and just want a little bit of foundation, concealer, like a little bit on. I think this side would work really well for you, but it's just gorgeous right now, and it wears, I'm gonna give it away, it wears all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup so you can see how everything just kind of goes on and what it looks like. I will do a little bit of a wear test. I have errands to run, so I was going to be doing my makeup anyway, and I'll come back at the end of the day and just let you see what it looks like. I'll probably insert footage too of the other 2 times I tried to film this video and what it looked like. I don't know, just because. Why not? So let me finish my makeup and then let you see what it looks like. I'm going to speed this part up and I will see you shortly. Okay, so I am all done with my makeup. I didn't want to go too crazy today, but as you can see, it is beautiful. It's like I want to put a lash on, but it's like there's no point. I tried to turn my ring light down a little bit. I felt like it was a little too overexposed. So hopefully you can see everything better. I did still put my highlighter on. It's just a cream highlighter, just so it looks more skin-like. But it just gives such a beautiful glow to the skin, especially since this side was a little bit more glowy than this one. I wanted to balance it out with the highlighter, but it is beautiful. I just love the way that my complexion looks each and every time I wear this foundation. There has never been anything I've used that it got patchy. I don't get oily. I might get a little of that healthy oil. Does that make sense? I don't look greasy. It just looks healthy. I don't know how to explain it unless it happens, but that's when I wear this for a very, very long extended period of time, over 8 hours, but even still, it looks beautiful, even though I'm explaining it horribly. I don't have to do touch-ups. I feel like I look like this for at least 7 hours. I mean, it just looks this beautiful for at least that long on me. I really feel like it gives the my skin but better. I can still see a little bit of my freckles through the makeup I have on now, but the complexion with wearing that foundation is an A+ in my book. So I am gonna go ahead and run my errands and then come back on camera later on today and let you see what it looks like. But I can already tell you, there's not gonna be much that changes. So don't be surprised when I come back later and I say, told you so, okay? So I will see y'all in a little bit. Okay guys, so I am back. I'm back actually later than I anticipated, but for a video like this, that's a good thing. It's been about 5 hours, and do I say what I say? Do I say what? Do I say what I said I was gonna say? Because look at it. I'm not even gonna say it because you guys can tell, you guys can see. I feel like I need some lip gloss. NYX Fat Oil coming through every time. There we go. I feel a little more put together. But here we are. I'm not oily. It looks amazing, and I can't get enough of this foundation. So I'm also going to insert some clips of the other videos, like I said I was going to do, so you guys can see an even longer wear time on those videos. But here we are. Beautiful, gorgeous. I feel like everybody should give this a shot. It says it's for all skin types. So give it a shot, and you know what? If it doesn't work for you, save your receipt and return it. But I just wanted to come on here and make this video, even though it's different than what I usually do, because when I love a product, I just want to let you guys know what I'm wearing off camera, what I am using. This will be on camera for sure too. I am just completely obsessed with it. I love it, and I just wanted to make a video showing it some love. So that wraps up this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.